Last time, writing a professional white paper could take weeks just for research and design, but today, we are turning things around. I'm going to show you how to create a data-backed, high-authority white paper in just a few minutes using Vingage's brand new AI tools. If you're a founder or marketer who wants to build thought leadership without all the heavy workload, this workflow is your new secret weapon. Let's get started. This is Vingage, and with Vingage, you can go from just one prompt to a stunning, professional design in minutes. You spend less time creating and more time impressing your audience. Let me show you a demo here. So let's go ahead and create a white paper. We've pasted in a short prompt here to show exactly what we want. So we can see it's not super detailed, but also not too vague. And all we need to do is just press generate design. And then in no time at all, we can see that this tool is perfect for B2B content marketing and technical thought leadership. The AI takes care of the heavy lifting for structure and layout, so users can focus on the big picture strategy instead of worrying about formatting. Here, we can see our entire white paper has been written for us. So this is really made for professional use, not just your basic templates. Now, let's talk about customization. You can customize your designs directly in the editor. You can rewrite your copy, generate icons, and create images all without leaving your workflow. There's also a Smart Suggestions feature that gives you instant design tips and inspiration. It's like having your own design staff helping you every step of the way. And every element here is fully editable to suit a specific brand niche. That's more than I can say for other AI writers. So here, we can select a paragraph, use AI rewrites, and even adjust the tone to make it more suitable for a professional or executive audience. Now, there are other tools as well, like the icon generator. This will actually create unique brand visuals for your data points, and you can use these smart suggestions to find the best layout improvements for your specific content. Here, we can see that we've generated custom visuals instantly. We can just place that anywhere in our document. And we can also fix spelling and grammar just by selecting a paragraph, and it'll correct it for us directly in the platform. Now, in my opinion, after using many different AI platforms, this is really something special. Vingage is the leader in accessible design, with built-in features like the AI-powered accessibility checker to make sure your visuals are inclusive and WCAG compliant. So for corporate white papers, accessibility is often the legal and professional requirement. The platform includes support for alt text, color contrast checkers, and is also compatible with screen readers. Here, we can see that we are checking the design just by pressing a button, and then it'll analyze everything for us and even highlight issues that we might want to change. So we can select one of these. In this case, we need alt text for our image, and then it's going to generate that for us. Once we are done, we can see all the issues have been resolved, and our document is ready to go. Once we're happy, we just press the download button. Then we can start sharing it with our colleagues. We can choose PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, or even select custom pages to send to specific people. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can actually register for free to unlock unlimited access to over 100 different AI design generators, with new tools added every week. They're always adding new generators, so the value of your account actually increases over time. So if you're ready to level up your content strategy, just click the link in the description and try the AI white paper generator for free. If you want the full experience, use my code FUTURIA150 to get 50% off your annual plan for Vingage Premium or Business. That's all from me. I'll see you guys in the next video.